Hi, I'm Heather, and I'm one of the technicians here at Grady Veterinary Hospital, and I'm here to talk to you about wellness exams for your pets. Wellness exams can include any kind of early detection screening also, and prevention of many diseases and parasites. When you arrive at your veterinarian, the veterinarian will ask you different things about your pet's history. And parts of the history that they will ask you about is its lifestyle. Do you travel with your pets? Do you take it to daycare, or do they go for grooming? Those kind of things can actually affect their health when they're exposed to other animals and other environments. Another thing that they will ask you about are bathroom habits, about their eating habits, and also about their activity level. Some of those will be signs for illness that they may inquire more about or ask for further testing. But when they come, they will definitely get a physical exam, and they will get an exam from head to toe. They will start with, a lot of times, with their head. So they'll look at their eyes and check their ears for any kind of infection, any kind of mites that may be visible either with an otoscope, or they may even take an ear smear to check for those tiny little mites. They'll check out their mouth and look at their teeth to see if there's any kind of abnormalities that may require some medical attention, including a dental cleaning. They will listen to the heart and the lung to see if they hear any kind of abnormalities as a heart murmur or any kind of abnormal lung sounds. They'll do an abdominal palpation to see if there's any kind of lumps or bumps on the skin, or even anything internal that does not feel correct. They'll check the lymph nodes to see if there's any kind of normal swelling, and they may even do a rectal exam just to check the prostate on male dogs, but also just to find any abnormalities. With just the physical exam, they can find many, many things, including things on the skin, which would include fleas and ticks, or any kind of dryness on skin, or any kind of allergies that could affect just the skin itself. After the physical examination, the veterinarian may suggest further testing, including getting a blood, urine, or fecal sample. The blood and urine sample can find different things wrong with both cats and dogs. With dogs, it may detect heartworm disease, and cats, it can detect FELV or FIV or hyperthyroidism. Both animals can be affected by kidney or liver disease, and it can also be an early detection for diabetes. With that blood work and urinalysis in mind, that can also be a baseline for your pet. It may not detect any problems, but in the future, if that blood work has been repeated, that is a good baseline to see where your pet's blood work is in the future. Early detection of different diseases and also prevention of these diseases are less expensive for the pet owner than having to treat these diseases later on. For instance, if an animal had kidney disease, if it was detected very early, it could be something as simple as a diet change, whereas when your animal's in distress later on, then it could be a visit to the ICU. So wellness exams are very important for your pets. A lot of veterinarians will suggest that they come in at least once a year. A lot of animals are suggested to come twice a year, especially if they are getting older. Animals age much more quickly than people, and they do require to come to the doctor more often than we would. So early detection and wellness exams are the best for your pet.